Hey guys, good morning. It's 3 a.m. It's actually 3:30. We are gonna go catch the sunrise on one of the islands. We're trying to see if we can fill up the jet skis because they're kind of low on gas. So they're trying to see if they're open, but I think they're closed. So anyway, we might have to end up towing this jet ski with the other jet ski because this one's not really full enough. But we'll see if that actually ends up happening. But yeah, so it's really dark, and we're gonna try and get there without light. So you could see pretty well without light. I mean,
there's no one there, guys. And who's going to be, and when you start going, I'm gonna floor, so you go off in the water and get off. If it starts beeping, if it doesn't start beeping on the way there, then you're fine.
essentials. Is that it?
I'm telling you,
I can't. Okay. Sorry, I can't vlog and do important things at the same time. Cool. Yeah, that's it. I just got pretzels and grapes because I couldn't find anything else. I didn't want to go in the RV. You can't see anything right now, but there's the sunrise, and we're in the middle of the lake with our jet skis. Okay, who wants grapes? Who wants pretzels?
All grapes.
Whew. Okay, so we tried to find the cliff and totally were not able to because it's so dark outside. And now they're
I feel
eating.
like it's safer though, because like even if we're in the cliffs and it was dark, like
No, that would be really dangerous. This is better.
and plus like someone has to
This
get
guy's
wet,
putting
like,
me on my.
Yeah. So now everybody's eating snacks because these are provided grapes and pretzels.
you're welcome.
Yeah. And
Oh wait, this is where your camera is.
Yeah.
That is not a good
We're
idea.
just watching the sunrise from the middle of the lake now.
Look.
So yeah.
Take it out.
Yeah, if we would have woke up at 4, this would be happening right now.
Yo,
It's fine. We'll do it again tomorrow. This time tomorrow we'll do it at 4. I am so down. So we're out of gas. So this is what we chose to do instead.
Oh, we're not completely out of gas.
Something wet. Literally, I got other pairs off. Guys, this is actually so much fun. But actually, like, if we do this again, we're doing it at 4.
What?
If we do this again, we're doing it at 4.
If we're doing this again, we're getting the boat.
Does the boat have lights on it?
Probably. Oh yeah. Obviously.
Okay.
Literally, you went through that literally.
Thanks for making me feel stupid, Seth. I appreciate it. Well deserved. Sengri jesteś de mine, kashi jest No, I'm not filming. What about luck? Oh, Lisa! Oh my gosh, I am leaning to the left.
Tip the other way.
Yeah, Lisa, don't do that. Just stay the way you were before. Don't change anything. I'm serious. Oh my gosh, 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 oh my gosh. Ah, Lisa, you're leading!
Stop bringing it out. We're good. We don't need panic at this moment of time.
Lisa! I'm not saying it is. I just want to scream right now.
I sacrificed my foot.
Oh, ding, 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 ding.
Oh my gosh, really care so much.
It's windy.
Now we're getting too close to that side. 10 out of 10
no, we're not
said.
gonna get closer that way though. We're
No,
gonna
because the wind is blowing us this way, not that way.
Idiot. Use your brain, dude.
oh, let me bring it back. You take us a little bit and then
Why am I really impressed with Seth right now? 10 out of 10 Seth. No, not right now. Seth! Oh my god!
Putting my foot down.
yeah, we're chilling, boy.
Somebody needs to freak out, otherwise nobody would take anything seriously.
Maggie, you want it? I
Okay.
literally sacrificed
You good?
my ankle, dude.
I sacrificed my whole foot.
This is like none of you can say anything.
Michael jumps in, I sacrificed my
Michael, sit! Please, guys, listen to him. Michael! Oh my god.
Stop it. No, I didn't. I
Wait,
literally
no,
meant
this is perfect. This is perfect. We're gonna go that way.
stop it. Oh yeah, but this is the way. Somebody has to sacrifice their hand. I'll do it.
Why?
No, Michael, stop.
Michael's literally gonna die. Now we're going.
That's just fine. We can move it next a little bit.
Yeah, don't hurt on. We're
We're chilling.
We're
We're literally chilling.
Look at that. Hey, is it worth it? 100%. Am
Mm-hmm.
I tired? Nope. Why are you like that?
Nope.
I can see right here on you.
Did you just say Gaby?
Yeah, I'm so glad about that no top coming.
There's like two down there.
There's nothing there, said it's a cliff.
No, like all the way down. Like,
Yeah.
you not see the lake?
There's another.
It's miles that way.
Yeah, there's a whole other campsite.
Did you know the whole road here?
Oh, yeah.
Right there. Like when you
I thought you meant, did we go on the jet ski there? No. But, yeah, we talked
No,
about
it's probably like 3 days to do a whole trip. To get down there and back.
Yeah, no, seriously, it's really big. There's a whole other campsite back there. The place is called Aberdeen Walker.
There's no people just stay park road.
Yeah.
This is private.
We said my toes are actually dying.
Eventually, how can playing this game? His toes are wet.
And I'm eating them on. Is that better?
Lisa was like, and I'm not even a man.
No,
Wow, I was like
You
trying
gotta
to
do
reach
the
my
same
hand
thing,
into
bro.
get pretzel.
Get your feet up here.
Oh, pretzel, hey! Oh, no, she's
Hey, I'm trying to help you. Put your feet up and bump it under you.
I just want to see all the time. It's like that, right?
Actually, it's still so much better. Lisa can't.
I thought Zeddy said it like, it would have been better if you would have just grabbed it.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, Michael went to the back.
All the time. The sun's gonna come up.
And we're all gonna be blinded.
And it's the sunset over there. Which we did that thing.
We're not gonna wait until sunset.
I was literally waiting for the sunset.
I can literally feel the water in my feet.
I really see I'll put the video on the thing. Take a time lapse.
Why didn't we think of that? Seth, what'd you do?
My socks will dry up eventually.
You got both his feet
Bro,
wet.
come at me, Seth.
Oh, Seth!
Alright, there you go. Get wet.
Michael,
The sun's gonna dry myself.
you're so cool, Michael.
Okay, look at us. I brought little treat.
I got summer on my legs. Summer.
Anyone want some? I think we're almost out.
Give me some.
Is
That was me.
There's like 500 left. No, these are like icebreaker sours.
Give me one. I have an itch and I want to itch it
Wait.
before.
These are nice. We got like those clouds up there, but
Imagine living at that house. Just seeing
no,
the sun.
imagine building your own. That's like really nice.
Like,
Really,
in that
I'll
area,
spend
not
like
that
$1 million just on glass. Just
Oh,
to have
that's
the whole thing.
Look at how many mosquitoes
Otherwise, we
there
would
are.
have gotten.
Guys, the sunset moved behind the mountain.
The sun's over there in that corner.
Oh my gosh, there's literally so many bugs.
But it's shining over here and making us.
Okay, but that's
yeah,
a pretty
there's
cool
no clouds
sunrise.
over there. The clouds are over there. That's why.
Yo. I can only go back maybe like 15 minutes.
Michael, why do you look so majestic right now?
Don't get too ahead of yourself, man.
Don't let it get to your head.